Labor denies it'll be to blame for a fall in living standards if it doesn't pass the federal government's budget. Treasurer Joe Hockey will deliver a statement to Parliament today, warning of dire consequences if the deficit isn't brought under control. He's accused Labor and the crossbenchers of blocking savings worth $43 billion. Shadow Treasurer Chris Bowen says Mr Hockey doesn't have a strategy
other than attacking pensions, taking $80 billion out of health and education. These are the Treasurer's only ideas when it comes to Australia's economic future.
There's speculation an overhaul of childcare funding will be used to reshape Tony Abbott's controversial paid parental leave scheme. There is pressure on the government to dump the scheme because of the budget deficit. But Assistant Education Minister Susan Lee says the two policies won't cross over.
What I know is that the parental leave policy is an extremely good one. It's one we've taken to two elections. Two separate policies at two different times in a family of experiences.
Parts of Melbourne's outer eastern suburbs have been shaken by a minor earthquake this morning. The tremor measuring 3.2 hit Berwick and surrounding suburbs around 6 o'clock. In sport, Sydney FC takes on ladder leaders Perth Glory at the Sydney Football Stadium tonight to kick off round 9 of the A-League. Sydney is fourth on the ladder, 1 point behind Adelaide. And in cricket, India begins a two-day game in Adelaide today against Cricket Australia 11. It comes ahead of the first test at the Adelaide Oval, beginning on Tuesday.
Switch your home loan to Mortgage House now and pay less. They'll even pay your switch fees. 133 144 and put it all on the house. Conditions apply.
Smooth 95.3 weather.
Very warm and cloudy with a chance of showers and a storm with light winds, tops at 29 in the city and 33 in the west. It'll be partly cloudy with a chance of showers tomorrow and cloudy with showers again to start the weekend. Right now in the city, 23 degrees, in the west 22, on Smooth 95.3.
1 day only. 5 years interest-free at Domain. Thursday is the day. 5 years interest-free store-wide. Hurry into Domain for huge deals in furniture, bedding and homewares. Plus, no deposit, no interest with monthly payments until December 2019. Outdoor furniture, lounges and dining, mattresses, ensembles, bedroom furniture, homewares. And